Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to resize videos for Instagram Reels or Stories in DaVinci Resolve. This is essential if you want your content to display properly in the vertical format that Instagram uses, ensuring your videos look professional and fill the entire screen without awkward black bars. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several options. Click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll be able to work with your footage and adjust the settings we need. Now, look to the top left of your screen and click on Media Pool. This is where all your media files and timelines are organized. To create a new timeline specifically formatted for Instagram, right-click anywhere in the Media Pool area. A menu will appear, and from there, click on Timelines, then select Create New Timeline. This is where we'll set up the vertical dimensions that Instagram Reels and Stories require. A dialog box will pop up with various timeline settings. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that says Use Project Settings, and you need to uncheck that box. This allows you to customize the resolution independently from your project's default settings. Next, click on Format to access the resolution options. In the resolution settings, adjust the dimensions to 1080 by 1920. This is the exact aspect ratio Instagram uses for Reels and Stories, the vertical 9 by 16 format. Once you've entered those numbers, click Create to finalize your new timeline. Your workspace is now set up perfectly for Instagram content. With your timeline ready, it's time to bring in your footage. Drag a clip from your media pool directly onto your timeline. You'll likely notice that the video doesn't fit the frame properly since it was probably shot in a standard horizontal format. To fix this, look to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel gives you precise control over your clip's properties. Here you'll see options for Zoom X and Y as well as Position X and Y. Adjust these settings to resize and reposition your video so it fits nicely within the vertical frame. You can zoom in to fill the screen or shift the position to focus on the most important part of your shot. And that's it. Your video is now perfectly formatted for Instagram Reels or Stories, ready to upload and share with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.